Hello kids, we are learning alphabet. Let's go. A. A is for apple. B. B is for bear. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for God. H. H for hen. I for igloo. J. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tree. Tree. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vase. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray fish. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.